Magandang umaga po sa atin lahat at nagbabalik po si Jake Antonio Bitabon galing sa Northwest Samar State University. At ngayon po tatalakayin natin ang 6 na topics. Ito ay yung area computation, centroid, length of curve, area of moment of inertia, at saka yung work. So dito muna tayo sa area of computation. So, paano nga ba natin gawin to? So, para makuha natin yung area between curves or under a curve, kailangan natin gumamit ng definite integrals. Ito po yung formula. Wait lang. Pag under naman to sa under one curve, ito po yung formula niya. The area is equals to integration of dA y dx. And kapag between two curves naman po, ito po yung formula niya. Area is equals to integration of y high minus y low. Okay. So ito po yung formula na gagamitin natin para ma-solve yung area computation. For example, we have to find the area between curve y is equals to x squared and y is equals to x plus 2, whereas x equals to negative 1 to x equals to 2. So ito lang po yung tatandaan natin. Alright? Ito po i-rewrite natin para maging curve. Since squared siya, i-squared mo lang para ma-cancel. Magiging x equals to the square root of y. So, pag ipa-plot natin yan, if y is equals to 1, then x is here. If y is equals to 0, so that means that x is also equals to 0. If y is equals to 4, that means that it means that x is equals to, if y is equals to 4, then it is positive and negative 2. So the curve will be in here. And now, let's find this line. If y equals to 0, then x equals to negative 2. Negative 2. If x equals to 0, then y is equals to 2. So dito po yung line niya. Ganun. So since the limit is x equals to negative 1 and x is positive 2, here and 2. Wait, di na 2. Yan po. Itong limit na to, dyan po sila nag-meet. which is here and also here. So ayan. So gagawa na tayo ng equation, which is yung formula kanina. Since dalawa yung ano, so yung gagamitin natin is yung area of two curves. Area is equals to the limit A is -1 and the limit B is 2. Ito nga pala yung y high natin. Ito po kasi y high means yung mas higher po. Tsaka yung y low naman is yung sa ibaba. Kaya tinawag siya y high tsaka y low. So ito yung y high, ito naman yung y low. Yung y low is yan. So since yung formula natin kanina is y high minus y low, so y high, which is x plus 2 minus y low dx. Yan po. Solve na po natin. Pwede na pala yan, no? Diretso natin. What is the derivation of x? X squared over 2 plus 2x minus x cubed over 3. Okay. -1. So limit 2 raised to 2 over 2 plus 2 minus 2 raised to 3 minus yung -1 naman po. -1 over 2 plus 2 -1 minus -1 cube. Solve po natin. Wait lang. Ang answer po is 9 over 2 square units. So ganun lang po kadali kunin ang area of two curves or under a curve, which is 9 over 2 squared. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa centroid, center of area. So yung centroid po. So yung equation natin kanina tsaka yung pagplot, kukunin lang po natin yung centroid niya. Kunin po natin, let's assume that yung centroid is nandito. Okay, yan. Yung pagkuha naman po ng centroid, ganito lang po. Ito po yung formula niya. Para po sa 2D region bounded by a curve, yung formula po niyan is 1 over a baxy dx. Yung bar y naman po 1 over 2a ba dx. Kapag dalawa naman po yung yung function, which is magiging na siya. Kung kanina xy lang po, yan. Dito naman yung y po dalawa na kasi, so i-minus lang po natin yan. So y high minus y low. Same lang po siya dito, pero dahil po dalawa na yung y, meaning subtract po natin. So kapag dito naman 2a y high squared minus y low squared. Dito po kanina isa lang rin. So since dalawa, so dalawa yung function, at saka i-minus natin. Pag na i-multiply mo lang by itself, then i-minus mo sa isa pa na po. Tandaan nyo po to to. So gawa tayo ng example, yung kanina, gawin natin yun. Yung sa example natin kanina, no? Ano yan? Ano nga yan? Yung y high, which is x plus 2, yung y low naman is equals to x squared. Yan. So dito, since dalawa yung function natin, gagamit tayo doon sa yung y high minus y low. Over a dx y high minus y low dx. Yung area natin kanina is 9 over 2. Malalagay dito yung 2, magiging 2 over 9. Yung limit, yung a which is negative 1 and 2. A, negative 1, 2, x, y high, x plus 2 minus y low, x squared dx. So i-combine lang po natin yan dyan. Ipapasok lang po natin x squared plus 2x minus x cubed. Yan. So pwede na po natin siya i-integrate. The integration of x squared, which is x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2, cancel out, x squared na lang po, plus x cubed, x raised minus pala, x raised to 4 over 4. Yan po. Yung limit to 1. Yan. Raised to cube plus 2 squared minus raised to 4 over 4 minus negative 1 raised to 3 over 3 plus negative 1 squared minus 1 4 over 4. Tututa lang po natin. So yung answer niya po is, yung bar x natin is 1/2 or 0.5. So nakuha na po yung natin yung bar x, which is 1/2. Kukunin pa po natin yung bar y. Okay, bar y naman tayo. 1/2a b a y high squared minus y low squared dx. Yan. Cancel out po. So 1/9 na lang. 2, -1. Distribute lang po yan. A squared mo lang po. 2 times x, 2x, 2x plus 2x, 4x, 2 times 2, 4. Minus x raised to the power of 4. Wait lang. Dx. So 1/9. Ano lang po natin na yung negative, lalagay lang natin dyan. X raised to 4 raised to 2 plus 4x plus 4 minus x. Yan po. Hindi na tayo maguluhan. Yan. I-integrate na po natin, which is yung raised to 3/3 plus 4 raised to 2/2 magiging 2 po siya. So magiging 2 na siya. 2x plus 4x minus 4 raised to 5/5 limit, which is 2, -1. Yan po. Igano na po natin yung limit. Raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 2 plus 4 2 minus 2 raised to 5 minus yung negative 1 naman 3 plus 2 plus 4 1 minus -1 raised to 5/5. So i-calculate muna natin, no? So, yung bar y po natin is 8/5 or 1.6. So, ayan. Kuha na po natin yung bar y. So, pwede natin siya ilagay sa nakuha na natin yung centroid. So, ganun po yan yung pagka-plot niya. One half, which is 0.5, dito po yan. Let's assume that this is 1. So pag 0.5 dito, so dito siya. Yung y naman 8/5 or 1.6. 1.6, so pag ito 1, dito yung to, nandito siya banda. Yan, dito. So yung centroid niya dito, which is 0.5, and 1.6. Ganun lang po kadali gamit ang formula na yon. So, punta naman tayo sa volume. So, ito po yung volume formulas. Meron po sa disk, sa washer. So, sa disk po, pag isa lang yung radius. Sa washer naman if dalawa yung radius. So, pag sa x-axis, ito po yung formula. Pag sa y-axis, ito. Din sa washer naman, yan. So, bigay tayo example. For example, y is equals to square root of x and y equals to x. So, i-revolve doon natin yan about the x-axis. So, kunin muna natin yung yung limit. Para makuha yung limit, substitute natin. Y is equals to 0 and y equals to 2. If y equals to 0, then pag 0 daw ito, then si x is 0 din. Pag 2 naman si y, 2 squared is 4. So si x is equals to 4. So ito na yung limit niya. Nakuha na natin yung limit. Lagay natin dito. Yan. So, ipa-plot natin. So, dito siya. Ito naman, pag if for 1, si 1 half is y. Si y is 1 half. So, pag 2, 1 yung pag 2 daw si x, so 1 si so, pag 1 siya. Ito. Ganun yung tsura niya. Okay. So, dito tayo, walang kasi, about the x-axis daw. I-revolve natin siya dito. So, kung makikita natin, dalawa yung radius ito tsaka yung dx. So ito yung y high, ito yung naman yung y low. Yan. So proceed na tayo sa equation. Dahil dalawa yung radius, yung gagamitin nating formula is yung pang washer. So, pang washer, limit for 0, y high squared minus y low squared. Yan po. So, magiging x to, cancel. Squared, so magiging 4 na to. So, minus x squared over 4 dx by 2. Integrate natin. Over 3. So, magiging 12 na. 4, 0. Equals to pi 4:2 over 2 minus 4:3 over 12 equals to 8/3 pi units, or or 8.38 cubic units is 3. Yan po yung volume niya. Punta naman tayo sa length of a curve. Length of a curve naman tayo, guys. Length of a curve. Dito, if y is equals to fx, then the arc length like that is, ito yung arc length, ito yung formula niya, guys. 1 plus the derivative squared dx. Yan po yung formula na. For example tayo. Tandaan nyo lang ang formula. Dito na lang. Yan. Find the length of the curve y is equals to x kung mapapansin natin dito, curve, no? Straight line siya. So, kahit na yan, ma-solve natin yung arc length niya. So, kunin daw natin yung formula niya. Wait, ito. X, derivative niya is 1. Since it's squared, so the dy dx squared is equals to 1. I-squared mo lang. So 1. Zero 3 1 plus 1 dx 3 2 dx. So yan, integrate na natin, i-limit natin. So the final answer is so ganun lang po kadali kunin yung length of a curve, no? Yan, 4.24 units. Ganun lang po. Kailangan mo lang po i-memorize tong formula. So, punta naman tayo sa another topic tayo. So, punta naman tayo sa area of moment of inertia. Of moment of inertia. If pag ano naman daw, pag isa lang yung curve or yung ano niya is ang formula ng x-axis magiging ix equals to y squared dx. Kapag bounded by 2 curve naman, ito na yung magiging formula niya. Wait. Ito. BA. Yan. Y high cube minus y low cube over 3. Ito naman kung bounded by 2 curves. Yan po. Sa x-axis po yan. Pag naman sa sa y-axis, ito po yung formula niya. Iy is equals to BA squared y dx. Kapag bounded by 2 curves naman, Iy is equals to ilagay mo lang yan yung y high minus y low. Ganun, i-subtract mo lang para makuha na yung y natin. So yun lang. Ito naman if bounded by 2 curves. Ito naman pag isa lang. So for example tayo, example y is equals to x from and to. So kunin daw natin yung moment of inertia ng line na to. So simple lang. Gagamit tayo ng ix kasi from by about tayo x squared dx equals to 3 2. So ito po yung ganun lang po kadali yung area of moment of inertia. So proceed naman tayo sa last topic natin. Yung talaga dito is dapat memorize mo lahat ng formulas. Yung gagawin mo lang dito yung i-apply mo na lang dun kung paano mo masosolve yan. So last topic tayo, pang-anim na topic is work. Formula for work is to the area of y h height minus y dy. Yan, where P is the density of water, G is the gravity, this is the area of y, which is the later. Tapos ito naman yung h is for height minus y and dy. So, example. Wait, butang tayo. Isulat ko yung yung problem. Cylindrical tank of So the problem daw, water which is 1000 kilograms over m cube in a cylindrical tank daw, ganon, has a radius of 2m daw dito, radius, and the height is 5 meters. So find the work to pump all water to the top daw. Yan, so yung dy natin yan, 2y. So apply na natin yung formula. Ayan. Work equals to, since 0 dito 5, the height, so 5, 0, density 1000 times 9.1, which is the gravity, 9.81, tas yung area, since 2m yung radius, so the area should be pi r squared 4 pi yung area. So 4 pi times yung height is 5 minus y dy. Oh. So ililipat lang po natin yung constant dito kasi constant siya, no? Ito times natin. So 39 to 40 pi 5 dyan. Dito natin lagay, masyadong masikip. Equals to 39 to 40 pi 50 5 minus y dy. Yan. So, pwede na natin siya integrate, no? 39 to 45 5y minus y squared over 2. Three nine to 40 pi times 5 minus 5 squared over 2. Simplify na natin, no? So 490 505 joules, or simplify natin, approximately 1,540,951.197 joules. Yan. So, ganun lang po, kadali kumuha ng work. At yun lang po for today's video.